A single liability claim could liquidate your entire five-figure side hustle overnight. Most entrepreneurs wrongly assume their standard home policy shields them, but insurers specifically exclude business activities. A legal blind spot that leaves your personal savings exposed. I am revealing the three critical insurance gaps that turn small businesses into massive personal liabilities. Starting with the specific clause that renders your existing coverage completely void the moment you make your first sale, is a specific policy adjustment that almost every insurance agent forgets to mention. Grab a glass of water, get comfortable, and let us get down to business. Let us start with the easy win, your homeowner's or renter's policy. Most people think that because they work from a laptop at their kitchen table, they are automatically covered if something goes wrong. But look at the fine print on a standard HO3 policy. Almost all of them contain an exclusion for business-related equipment and liability. If you are running an Etsy shop, coding for clients, or even hosting a small consulting call from your home, your provider can deny a claim for fire, theft, or water damage simply because the property involved was used for profit. The fix here is surprisingly simple. It is called an incidental business endorsement. It is usually inexpensive, often costing less than $50 per year. My friend Sarah learned this the hard way in 2021. She ran a jewelry business out of her basement, and when a pipe burst and ruined $3,000 worth of inventory, her insurer told her she was out of luck. She had to pay for the loss entirely out of pocket because she had not declared the business use. Add that endorsement today, and you are no longer operating in the shadows of your own policy. Now, here is where we level up to something much more nuanced: liability coverage for the work you produce. This is the second point, and it is where things get serious for consultants, freelancers, and service providers. Have you ever wondered why even a small one-person creative agency carries a professional liability policy? It is because of something called errors and omissions insurance. Think of it this way: if you build a website for a client and a bug in your code causes them to lose $10,000 in sales over a weekend, a general liability policy will not touch that claim. That is a professional error, not a physical accident. I remember reading a case study from the Insurance Information Institute. They analyzed a freelancer who was sued for copyright infringement because of an image they accidentally used in a social media campaign for a local restaurant. The legal fees alone exceeded $15,000 before the case even went to discovery. Without professional liability, that freelancer would have been bankrupt. If you provide advice, consulting, or digital products, you need this coverage. It protects your personal assets, like your house or your retirement account, from being seized to pay a professional judgment. If you are finding these distinctions helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I break down the mechanics of growth and protection like this every single week. Stick around, because the next point is the one I have been saving for you. It is the most overlooked strategy, and it changes the entire insurance equation for side hustlers. All right, remember how I promised to show you the best method? Here it is. You need to separate your business assets from your personal ones completely using a business owner policy or a BOP. Most people treat their side hustle like a hobby that makes money, but if you want to scale, you have to treat it like a company that needs its own identity. A BOP combines general liability and property coverage into one single bundled, affordable package. Here is why this is better than the first two methods combined. When you have a BOP, you are effectively drawing a legal and financial border around your hustle. If someone sues your business, they are limited to the assets held within the company. Does that make sense? It stops the litigation from hitting your personal savings. In a 2022 report, the Small Business Administration noted that 40% of small businesses without comprehensive coverage fail within a year of a major liability event. A BOP is the industry standard for preventing that catastrophic failure. Let that sink in for a moment. Think about your future self, 3 years down the line, with a thriving brand and clients all over the world. Do you really want that success to be tied to the same policy that covers your kitchen table and your television set? No. You want professional, dedicated coverage that scales as you grow. The best time to implement a BOP is before you actually need it. Once you reach that threshold where your income becomes a significant part of your household budget, this isn't just an expense. It is a mandatory investment in your financial stability. I've seen too many talented creators give up everything because of one bad accident that could have been insured for less than the cost of a nice dinner out. So there you go. 3 distinct ways to protect your side hustle: the incidental endorsement for your homeowner's policy, professional liability to cover your errors, and the BOP to insulate your entire professional life from your personal reality. That last one is a game changer. It is the difference between a side project and a real business. If you got value from this, please share it with a friend who is currently building their own hustle. It might just save them from a massive mistake. Make sure you subscribe so you do not miss the next video, where I am going to talk about the tax loopholes that most side hustlers leave on the table every single year. You do not want to miss that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take a deep breath. You are building something great. Just make sure you are building it on a foundation that will actually hold up. Stay focused, stay protected, and keep pushing forward. It is all about smart moves, day by day, asset by asset. You have got this. Seriously. Everything changes once you start looking at your venture through the lens of protection rather than just the lens of profit. It gives you a level of peace that allows you to take bigger risks and build faster. That is the real power of these tools. Go out there and make it happen.